waves of Karachi call my name at night, dancing with the moon in silver light. Salty breeze whispers stories untold of dreams that shine brighter than gold. Grace of Lahore walks in there, in every street, in every prayer. Old walls echo love and art, a city that lives inside my heart. From the ocean's roar to the city of lights, to God